Hello children, welcome to AIMS India's online classes. In today's class from mathematics subject, factorization topic we are going to continue. So far some of the concepts we have completed children, up to quadratic equation, algebraic identity, up to here factorizing the difference of two squares. This one also completed. Factorizing trinomials, this topic finished children. Factorizing trinomials of the form ax square plus bx plus c. This is also finished. Next children. So our next concept is factorization of second degree expression involving more than three terms. So up to now we have discussed the equations or the expressions which are in the form of ax square plus bx plus c, or which are having three terms. So as the highest power is 1, as the highest power is 2 here, so this is called as second degree expression, or we can also call it as quadratic expression. So we have learned the process of factorization of quadratic expressions having three terms. So now how to factorize second degree expressions involving more than three terms. Suppose if we have a plus b plus c whole square, so then this can be written as a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into b into c, 2 into c into a, like this. So altogether we are having 6 terms here. If we have a expression like this in the form of this, which is having more than 3 terms, then by using this formula we can factorize it. Here on right hand side, on RHS side, the highest power is 2. The highest power is 2 here. So it is a second degree expression having more than 3 terms. This can be factorized by using this formula. Or this can be factorized by the following method. We have a proof here. So how we have written this one like this means, for that we have a proof here. Suppose they have given a plus b plus c whole square. If you take ab as one group, it is in what form? X plus y whole square, which is equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square, which we have learnt already. So this is in the form of x plus y whole square, where x is equal to a plus b, y equal to c. So in the place of x square, we can keep a plus b whole square. In the place of y square, we can keep c square. In the place of 2xy, we can keep 2 into a plus b into c. Like this we can keep. So why we have written like this means because of this formula, or a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, because of this formula. So now again a plus b whole square means a square plus 2ab plus b square, 2 into a into c, it will become 2ac, 2 into b into c, 2bc, plus we have c square. So a square we are writing here, next b square, c square we will write here, next we have 2ab, 2bc, 2ca. So this is the formula for this one. It is proved. Now by using this formula we can factorize. Suppose they have given the question, factorize 9a square 4b square plus c square minus 12ab minus 4bc plus 6ca. So we have more than 3 terms here. How to factorize it? So 9a can be written as 3a whole square because 9 means 3 square. 4b square means 2 square b square can be written as 2b, 2b square. But as we have minuses here, so that's why sometimes minus also we have to consider. First, let's write it as a 2b whole square, 2b whole square plus c square. Here minus 12ab we have, means in the formula we have plus, but here we have minus 12ab, means plus of 2 into one term to be positive and another term to be negative. First, what is the first term? 3a. If we take 3a as positive, 2 into 3, 6. This term to be negative, then only we will get minus 12ab. So here, second term is 2b, 2b, but if you take simply 2b, plus will come. So that's why minus 2b we have to take. So that's why this second term to be written as minus 2b whole square. Here also minus 4bc. Here this term is c square. So here actually 2bc means 2 into b how much? Already we have taken minus 2b into only c we have here. So minus 4bc will come. So no need to take c as minus because already b we have taken minus. 1 minute, children. Already we have taken b as minus, children. So no need to take c as minus. Minus 4bc we will get. And again here in 6ca, c is already plus term. This a term also it's a plus term, positive term. So no need to take any minus. So 2ca means 2 into c term is c only. A term is 3a. We will get 6ca. So 9a square can be written as 3a whole square. 4b square can be written as minus 2b whole square because we have minus here. C square can be written as it is. Minus 12ab can be written as 2 into 3a into minus 2b. Minus 4bc can be written as 2 into minus 2b into c. 6ca can be written as 2 into c into 3a. So now, so this is written in the form of this one, which is equal to a plus b plus c whole square. So a for 3a here, b for minus 2b, c for c whole square we can write. Here plus into minus, minus. So this will be in whole brackets, whole square. Means, so same, this expression, 2 times it will be the factor of given expression. Like that we can solve, children. Next, children. We have another concept, factorization of expression that can be converted into quadratic expression. Means the given expression is not quadratic, but can be converted into quadratic. So that kind of expression, how to factorize them? That is the method. So here, children, here the first expression is a to the power of 4 plus 4a square plus 3. So a to the power of 4 plus 4a square plus 3. But a to the power of 4 can be written as a square whole square plus 4a square plus 3 we have here. So means if this a square is considered as one single number, x square plus 4x plus 3, it is in the form of like this. In the place of a square, if we keep x, it will become x square. 4x square, 4a square, 4x plus 3. Now this is a quadratic expression in the form of quadratic expression. So now we have to find the quadratic expression which is in the form of x square plus 4x plus 3. So here constant is 1. So 1 into 3, 3. AC product is 3 to be converted into two numbers P and Q such that PQ product will come 3, PQ sum will come plus 4, like we have learned earlier, that method. So 1 into 3, product is 3, 1 plus 3, product is 4. So the two numbers satisfying this method by trial and error method, by guessing method, 3 plus 1, 3 into 1 we can take, 3 comma 1 we can take. So what we will do, we will split the middle term 4a square into a square plus 3a square. A square plus 3a square. Now, these two, one group, these two, one group, these two, one group, these two, one group. From these two, if we take a square common, in a to the power of 4, if we take a square common, one more a square will remain. If we here, in second term, a square, if we take common, 1 will remain. From this group, if we take 3 as common, a square will remain, 1 will remain. Again, a square plus 1 we will take common. So a square plus 3, here a square will remain, here 3 will remain. A square plus 3 will remain. So this is the answer, children. Like this, though it is not quadratic, we can change into quadratic and we can find the factors. This one, children. So x power 8, x minus x power 4 minus 132. It is not quadratic. For making it into quadratic, what we are doing means, here, x to the power of 8 means, x to the power of 4 into 2 we can write, x power 4 whole square. One power will become whole square. So x power 4 whole square minus x power 4 minus 132 means it is in the form of, suppose if we assume it as some a square minus k minus 132. So it is in the form of quadratic. Now here coefficient is 1, product of AC. We need 132. This 132 to be split into two terms, P and Q, such that their P and Q product is, sorry children, here minus 132. Product to be minus 132 and sum to be middle term coefficient minus 1. Like that we have to take the numbers. So which numbers are possible for that 132? We can take 11 into 12. 11 into 12. But in the middle number, we have minus 1. So for getting minus 1, smaller number plus symbol, bigger number minus symbol. So the numbers are minus 12, comma 11. So the so that minus 12 plus 11, sum is minus 1, product is minus 132. So the middle term, this middle term, minus x power 4 can be written as minus 12 x power 4 plus 11 x power 4. This third term, 132, can be written as 11 into minus 12. So now this first group, in this first group, x power 4 is common. If you take it out, sorry, x square x power 4 is common, means x power 4 whole square means, what does it mean? X power 4 into x power 4. If we take one x power 4 common, another x power 4 will remain. Here x power 4 went out, minus 12 will remain. Next to one group, 11 we will take common, 11 we will take common, x power 4 will remain, minus 12 will remain. Again, x power 4 minus 12 we will take common. Here x power 4 will remain. Here plus 11 will remain. These are the factors. So like this also we can do the factorization, children. Next, children, another example, children. Factorize. Factorize 5x minus 1 by x whole square plus 5 into 5x minus 1 by x plus 6. So we have a bigger term here. Let us take it as a here. So then it will become a square plus 5a plus 6. In this expression, if we take a in the place of this, we will get a square plus 5a plus 6. Let's solve this one so that we can solve this one. So a square plus 5a plus 6 means here a square before coefficient is 1. 1 into 6. 1 into 6, we are getting 6. We should split 6 into 2 terms, P and Q, such that PQ equal to 6, P plus Q equal to middle term, how much? 5. So which combination is possible? 2 comma 3. 2 into 3, 6. 2 plus 3, 5. So this can be, 5a can be written as plus 3a plus 2a. Plus 3a plus 2a. The middle term, 5a can be written as plus 3a plus 2a. First two one group. Next two terms one group. First two group, a we can take common, a plus 3 will remain. 2 we can take common, a plus 3 will remain. Now a plus 3 common, a plus 2 will remain. Now these are the factors. For this, it is in the form of this. These are the factors. But in the place of a, we have to keep this one, 5x minus 1 by x. So 5x minus 1 by x plus 3 is a factor. 5x minus 1 by x plus 2 is a factor. Like that, we can apply different methods, children, for finding the factors. Okay, children, we are having about HCM and LCM, HCF and LCM. Let's learn about it in our next video. That's all for today, children. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for receiving latest updates. Thank you, children. Have a good day. You can also visit our website, children, www.aimstoday.in. There you can find information regarding online classes, quizzes, worksheets, activities, English classes, coding skills, Vedic maths. Class-wise folders are there. You can go to that and you can check all the details. Thank you, children. Have a good day.